Tango Hotel Lima, go ahead.
Wait a minute, Tommy. We'd like to reposition to Charlie.
Roger, stand by.
Hotel Lima, standing by.
And 234, where are you parking?
Domestic.
All right, right there, 2 Echo A. Tango Hotel Lima, you may proceed.
Hotel Lima, proceed.
6075 Foxtrot, 5 miles, left base 10.
The 75 Foxtrot, continue.
Continuing 6075 Foxtrot.
Tango Hotel Lima, taxi and hold short at Bravo now.
Hotel Lima, holding at Bravo.
55 Charlie Hotel, what's your altitude now?
Yeah, we're level at 2000 now, 22 north of Adville, 5 Charlie Hotel.
Charlie Hotel, Grenada, nav approach for runway 10, report 5 miles from Adville.
For the RNAV 10, we'll call you 5 out of Adville, 5 Charlie Hotel.
Delta 301, descend to and maintain 3,000 feet, report leaving 6.
Descend 3,000, report leaving 6,000, Delta 301.
6075 Foxtrot, clear to land runway 10, 050 degrees to 6 knots.
Clear to land 10, 6075 Foxtrot.
And how much longer for United 1245?
About 45 miles from maximum, Delta 301.
301, roger. Call level at 3,000.
Delta 301, copy.
United 1465, pushback, correction 1245, pushback and start up at approval.
Alright, push back and start up United 1245.
American 880, copy clearance.
American 880, ready, copy.
Declared to Charlotte, runway heading, expect direct Civic. Yankee 585 to Ormond Beach. Then S5. Crampton maintain flight level 060, squawk 2315.
And can I get the phonetic for Civic American 880?
Charlie Victor, India, Kilo, Kilo.
Alright, runway heading, Charlie Victor, India, Kilo, Kilo, Yankee 5.